for now, but a nasty line of storms with a whole lot of rain, wind, maybe even some hail moving through. Big storms will be coming on by for the rest of the day. In fact, we can time out these storms. It looks like they'll be right over New Orleans or even just a little bit past there by 2 o'clock local time, and they'll continue their trek on off towards the east, getting towards Mobile by 3 or 3:30. So some big-time storms, and you notice all those people in New Orleans on the left side of your screen, those people are going to have to seek shelter. Those are nasty storms and a lot of rain coming on by. Another thing to point out, though, it's not just this area. As we look down from above, we have this whole spinning complex. That's an area of low pressure that we've been.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to get the camera settled in one place.
Over Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia,
trying really bad.
and that area will fill in with storms. So several regions that we're watching for today, we're going to be following the temperatures really increasing. And how about this? As you look towards the southeast, watch North Georgia and Alabama and how those storms fill in, and another round of storms coming in across the south. So although you've had rounds of storms today, you're not necessarily done, even in the southeast states. And Alex and Bonnie, as you look towards the Midwest, big storms, Illinois into Kentucky, possibly northern Tennessee, before the day is done. So a lot to watch here as we go through the next several hours.
No doubt about it. All right, thanks so much, Mark. We appreciate it. And of course, Nashville, as Mark was mentioning, that's a spot that could see some of those thunderstorms this afternoon. Chance that they'll turn severe as the evening goes on.
Today, the Torcon index for you in Nashville is at 4, meaning there's a 40% chance there will be a tornado within 50 miles of the city.
Meteorologist Paul Goodlow, he's in Nashville with the latest conditions.
I'm here at the Poor House here in Nashville. It's on 8th Avenue, and if you're watching us earlier in the morning, you saw that the streets were wet. We had some light rain showers overnight and this morning. Ideal conditions for what went on this morning, the Nashville Marathon and Half Marathon. Again, ideal weather conditions, upper 50s, low 60s for long distance running, but not the best for traveling. There were some delays last night with that rain in terms of airplanes getting in here, but that could have been delayed from storms around the Tennessee area as well. But the concern was early on, we could see severe weather this morning. That forecast did change, and right now, plenty of sunshine, temperatures moving into the 70s after starting in the 50s, but that's the key. Don't be fooled by how quiet and cool it was this morning. We have a warm front about to blast through this area. As it does so, our instability values will go sky high, and we have a good chance of seeing a few thunderstorms pop up. But the ones that do pop up will probably go severe, bringing damaging wind, hail, and we still can't rule out the risk of tornadoes. So for the rest of the afternoon here in Nashville into the evening, we have a Torcon value of 3, meaning we have a 30% chance of seeing tornadoes within 50 miles of the Nashville area. And again, that threat will continue tonight as well. So don't let this calm before the storms fool you. It's going to get pretty nasty out here as we head out for the rest of the day. Reporting from Nashville, Tennessee, I'm meteorologist Paul Goodlow. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Paul. You know, we've just updated it, and now it's at a 4 for Nashville with a 40% chance within 50 miles of a tornado developing.
Yeah, absolutely. So here we are. There it is, 4 out of 10. And we're expecting those storms to develop generally as we get into the late afternoon into the evening. There is that risk for, again, those isolated tornadoes, so heads up there. Huntsville, Alabama,
Yeah,
that's another spot that could see storms.
It sure is, and even though it kind of calms down through the evening hour, if you're heading out to dinner and you have plans tonight, keep an eye to the sky and keep your no-weather radio turned on because those storms could get very dangerous quickly.
Absolutely. All right, well, the severe weather threat, that continues through the weekend.
When we come back, we'll let you know who needs to be prepared for more of the wicked weather on Sunday.
You have been watching Severe Storm Central on the Weather Channel. Their coverage of the upcoming severe weather this afternoon and tonight. Thanks for joining Walrus News Now. Have a nice day.